Say hi for me. Understanding friendly phrases in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a common, friendly phrase in English. Say hi for me. This phrase is used in casual conversations and has a simple yet warm meaning. We'll explore its usage, examples, and some variations. Let's get started. Say hi for me is a phrase used when you want to send greetings to someone through another person. It's often used when you can't meet someone in person but want to convey your warm wishes. This phrase expresses a friendly intention and a way to maintain social connections. This phrase is appropriate in informal settings. You can use it when talking to a friend, family member, or colleague who is about to meet someone you know. For example, if your friend is going to see a mutual friend, you might say hi for me. It's a way to show that you remember and care about the other person. There are several variations of this phrase. You might hear, give them my regards, tell them I said hello, send my best wishes. Each variation has a similar meaning but might be used in slightly different contexts or based on personal preference. In English-speaking cultures, using phrases like, say hi for me, is seen as a sign of friendliness and consideration. It's a small gesture that can strengthen social bonds and show that you value your relationships. We hope this video helps you understand the phrase, say hi for me, and its use in everyday English. It's a simple yet powerful way to stay connected and show care. Keep practicing your English, and don't forget to say hi to your friends for us. Until next time,